Want to edit your delivery area but aren't quite sure how? I'm Poch from Intentionally Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. So again, let's start here from the dashboard. From here, you're going to go all the way down to the settings menu. From the settings, you're going to want to click on it. And then under the settings menu, we have sub-menu items here. You're going to want to click on delivery. Now from the delivery, you're going to have your areas here that are your delivery areas. For purpose of this example, we're going to click on the green one, so the green circle here. Click on Edit Delivery Area. If you don't have any delivery area set, you can click on Add New Area. And when you click on Add New Area, you can even put in a zip code or just choose a particular area. And then click on Save for that. Now, to edit an area, just click on Edit. And you will see the points that you have here on the map. Now, very simply, if you want to increase, you can double click outside the box and a point will go to that double clicked area. Double click and increase, double click, increase, double click, increase. Now, if you want to remove one of the points that you've added, just double click that point. Double click, double click. Similarly, if you'd like to increase, you can also drag one of these points out to increase or drag them back in to decrease that area. So perfect. Now, for the delivery menu items here, you can have a delivery, two types of delivery types. So you can pay fixed or pay per mile. So if you do it fixed, your customers will just pay a fixed amount for delivery regardless of the distance. For pay per mile, there will be first charged a base amount and then increments after that based on the delivery charge that you set. So for the cost, you have here the delivery fee that you'd like to put in. You can put the minimum amount for delivery, the base price you'd like to put in, and for the minimum amount, you can set this to 0 or you can say to whatever amount you'd like for customers to avail of delivery. You can also set a minimum amount for free delivery as well. Now, you have this option here, force the delivery fee. Now, we like to have this toggled on because if you have it toggled on, that means that customers will just go through the order process and they will not be prompted to add any amount for free delivery. If you have it off, that means that whenever a customer makes an order and they haven't reached that amount for free delivery, they'll be prompted that, hey, you can add this amount to get that free delivery amount. So make sure to toggle it on, or if you'd like, if your delivery fee is a bit lower, you can actually toggle it off so you can advise customers to add X amount if they'd like to get that free delivery. Now, for the delivery time in mid, so this would be the maximum delivery time within your time zone. So just to be safe, I would set this at 60 minutes. That means that within your target area, customers can expect the delivery to arrive within 2 hours. Now, for the delivery window step, this is for customers who order or make advanced orders. So you could add windows. So if it's set at 1, this would typically mean that you'd give them a 2 to 3 p.m. window or a 3 to 4 p.m. window or a 4 to 5 p.m. window. Typically, you like to match your delivery time, your max delivery time. So I would put this at 2, meaning all your delivery schedules would be in 2-hour increments, like 2 to 4 or 4 to 6 or 6 to 8. Now, for the deadline offset, this would just mean that this would be the deadline that your customers could order, because you don't want a customer ordering at 7:59 if you're closing at 8 p.m. So if you'd like the last order to come in at 7:30, you'd set this at 30. So 30 minutes. That means that 30 minutes before your closing time, that would be the last time that your customers can order. Right. So for the delivery delay, this is a buffer between now and the first delivery time slot. If you want to see more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your in-store or online sales quickly, visit our website at intentionallycreative.com.